Oh. Yo. So it's where's the rest of it on the? Is this it here? That's not my one, huh? Is that my head? My top? Does this look alright? Yo, bit of it's good to keep working. Is it? Oh God, is that also part of it? Hopefully this is. Is that also part of my engine?
Yeah.
That and this. With a big
Pipes.
bucket. A big motor, huh?
Big one.
Only 2.2 liter. But this everything you've seen so far looks alright, or what? Have you got the pistons out? So you can't see. Are they stuck in there? Hi. Alright. Have you got the pistons out?
No, they're not that yet. I'll show you the valves. But so far it's looking engine overall.
Yeah. Look at that. What is that? Oh, those are the
This is the pistons in
yeah,
here.
the four.
Yeah.
Shit, huh? Well, and this is part of it, and that's part of it.
No, all of this is part of it.
Yeah, that's horrendous, and that's part of it.
Yeah.
It's a big engine.
It's a big engine here.